Hi, I'm Lonnie Fisher with Pure Knee Massage, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Achilles tendon, which is the most ruptured tendon in a human body. So if you are big into sports that use a lot of running, you'll find that what's taking place is you're shortening your calf muscles and you're causing a lot of strain on that Achilles tendon. So unless you have a routine for flexibility, you'll find that eventually you will rupture that Achilles tendon. So I'm here today to give you a couple moves that you can do at home before or after your workout to help with that. I always suggest doing it after a workout, right when you finish, because that is when your muscle is going to be the warmest and the least likely to get hurt. All right, so let's go ahead and start it with a massage. So you're going to bend over using the palms of your hands, and you're going to rub in a downward motion on the outside, coming up on the inside. And then you're going to start at the top. You're going to grab the muscle, you're going to squeeze, pulling outward. Coming back up. And the next move that we're going to do is now going to start our stretching. So we're going to place both of our hands up against the wall. We're going to take our right leg, we're going to bend the knee forward while extending our left leg completely backwards. So you want this leg completely engaged and straight behind you. And our right knee is going to slowly bend forward towards the wall. You're going to feel that stretch going down the back of your calf muscle. And then switch. You're going to take your left knee, bring it forward towards the wall. Your right leg is going to extend behind you, completely lengthened as you bend in towards the wall with your left knee. And you'll feel that deep stretch going through that calf muscle. Hold it. Now we're going to move into our next stretch. This is going to be an even deeper stretch. So once again, place your hands against the wall. Take your right foot, put your toes in the air, up against the wall, place your heel on the ground so it's at an angle. You are going to bend your right knee towards the wall, and you're going to feel a very deep stretch going through your Achilles and your calf muscle. Remember, with each one of these stretches, you're going very slow. This isn't a race. So take your left foot, bring it up against the wall, place your toes on the wall, heel down on the ground, take your left knee, bend it toward the wall. Now this is a stretch. All of these moves you can do before, after a workout, and on a daily basis. I highly suggest adding it into your routine so that way you can keep your Achilles tendon healthy and strong. Thank you for watching.